Welcome to Chakwal, everybody. We're about to take you on a journey through this amazing city in Pakistan's Punjab province. Chakwal is about to blow your mind with its natural beauty. Stunning mountains, serene lakes, hidden waterfalls, and canyons. So buckle up, get ready for some breathtaking views, and try not to drool on your phone when you see the food, because we're about to explore the hidden gem that is Chakwal. Alright folks, first up, we're taking you to a place that looks like it's straight out of a Hollywood movie. I'm talking about the Chakwal Canyons, also known as Pakistan's mini Hingol. Picture towering cliffs, rugged valleys and rock formations carved out over centuries by wind and water. Hike through the canyons, discover hidden paths and channel your inner Indiana Jones. The Chakwal Canyons are a sight to behold, making you realize how small we are in the grand scheme of things. From the rugged beauty of the canyons, we're now taking you to a place of pure serenity, Swake Lake, also known as Kondoa Lake. Nestled near Kalar Kahar, this lake is like a little slice of heaven on earth. Imagine crystal clear water reflecting the surrounding mountains, creating a picture-perfect scene. Swake Lake is the perfect spot for a picnic. Pack a basket with some local delicacies, lay down your blanket, and just soak in the tranquility. And, if you're feeling adventurous, take a dip in the cool, refreshing water. Just, maybe test it out with your toe first. Okay, adventurers, get ready, because our next stop is Durnal Lake, a hidden gem that's just calling out for you to explore. Imagine waking up to the sound of birdsong, the air crisp and fresh, surrounded by lush green forests and rolling hills. This place is a paradise for hikers and campers. Lace up your boots, pack your tent, and get ready to immerse yourself in nature's embrace. There's nothing quite like cooking a meal over an open fire under a sky full of stars. And for all you photographers out there, Durnal Lake is a dream come true. The sunrises and sunsets here are legendary, painting the sky in a kaleidoscope of colors. Next up, we're taking you on a safari, Pakistani style. Get ready to explore the Chumbi Sirla Wildlife Sanctuary, a sprawling reserve that's home to a diverse range of animals. Established back in 1978, this sanctuary covers a whopping 55,945 acres across Chakwal and Kushab districts. The sanctuary is particularly famous for its population of urials, a type of wild sheep with incredible horns. And if you're lucky, you might even spot one during your visit. But it's not just about the urials, folks. The sanctuary is also home to a variety of birds, reptiles, and other mammals. It's a reminder that even in our modern world, nature is thriving in these protected pockets. Get ready to step back in time, folks, because we're about to enter the fascinating world of the Kadas Raj temples. Picture a complex of ancient Hindu temples dating back to the 6th century, nestled amidst a serene lake. The temples are dedicated to various Hindu deities and are a testament to the rich history and religious diversity of the region. You can almost feel the spirituality in the air as you walk through the courtyards, admiring the intricate carvings and sculptures. Alright, history buffs, this one's for you. Get ready to climb the heights of history at the magnificent Malot Fort. Perched atop a hill like a king surveying his domain, Malot Fort offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The fort itself is a testament to the architectural prowess of a bygone era. As you stand there, gazing out at the world below, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. Pack your picnic baskets and grab your cameras, folks, because we're heading to a place that's practically made for Instagram, Kalar Kahar Lake. Nestled in the heart of the Salt Range Mountains, this lake is known for its stunning natural beauty. Spend the day boating on the lake, soaking up the sun, and enjoying the company of loved ones. It's the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, why not rent a paddle boat and try your hand at some fishing? Get ready for an adventure, folks, because we're about to unveil one of Punjab's best-kept secrets, Neelawan, the Blue Waterfall. This hidden gem is not just a sight to behold, but an experience to cherish. Imagine a place where the hustle and bustle of daily life fades away, replaced by the soothing sounds of nature. Hidden away in the hills, surrounded by dense forest, lies a cascade of water so blue, it seems almost unreal. The journey to this secluded spot is an adventure in itself, winding through lush greenery and rugged terrain. But every step is worth it when you finally lay eyes on the breathtaking beauty of Neelawan. The water is crystal clear, reflecting the surrounding greenery, creating a scene straight out of a fairy tale. It's as if nature decided to paint a masterpiece, with every shade of green and blue blending perfectly. The sight of the waterfall cascading down into the pristine pools below is nothing short of magical. As you listen to the sound of the waterfall crashing down into the pools below, you can't help but feel a sense of peace and serenity wash over you. The rhythmic sound of the water, combined with the gentle rustling of leaves, creates a symphony of nature that calms the mind and soothes the soul. So, pack your swimsuit, grab your hiking boots, and get ready to discover the hidden paradise that is Neelawan. The hike to the waterfall is an adventure filled with scenic views and the promise of a refreshing dip in the cool blue waters. It's a perfect escape for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Just, be careful on those slippery rocks. The path can be tricky, but with a little caution, you'll be able to navigate it safely. Remember, the reward at the end of the journey is well worth the effort. So, take your time, enjoy the hike, and let the beauty of Neelawan captivate your senses. Alright, shoppers and foodies, get ready because we're about to hit the motherlode, Chapar Bazaar, the heart and soul of Chakwal. This market is not just a place, it's an experience, a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, and smells that will captivate your senses. This bustling market is a sensory overload in the best possible way. As you walk through the narrow lanes, you'll be greeted by the colorful stalls, each one more inviting than the last. The air is filled with the aroma of spices, fresh produce, and street food being prepared right in front of you. Chapar Bazaar is a paradise for anyone who loves to eat. The variety of street food here is simply astounding. From sizzling kebabs to piping hot samosas, there's something to satisfy every craving. And let's not forget the refreshing drinks that are perfect for quenching your thirst on a hot day. From traditional Pakistani dishes to sweet treats, your taste buds are in for a real treat. Imagine biting into a piece of freshly made jalebi, its sweetness melting in your mouth, or savoring a plate of biryani that's bursting with flavor. And don't even get me started on the freshly baked bread. The bakeries here are renowned for their delicious offerings. Whether it's a simple naan or a more elaborate pastry, the bread in Chapar Bazaar is a must-try. But it's not just about the food, folks. The market is a hub of activity where you can find a wide range of goods. From everyday essentials to unique finds, there's something for everyone. Chapar Bazaar is also a great place to pick up some souvenirs. The craftsmanship on display is truly impressive. You can find beautifully made items that reflect the rich cultural heritage of the region. From traditional handicrafts like zari shoes and kez weaving, to spices and textiles, you're sure to find something to take home as a reminder of your trip. Each item tells a story, a piece of Chakwal that you can carry with you long after you've left. Now, let's talk about what really makes a culture special, the things you can taste and touch, the local cuisine and traditional handicrafts of Chakwal. This region is a treasure trove of culinary delights and artisanal wonders that reflect its rich heritage and vibrant community spirit. Pakistani cuisine is known for its bold flavors and aromatic spices, and Chakwal is no exception. The markets here are filled with the intoxicating aroma of spices like cumin, coriander, and turmeric, which are essential to the local dishes. From hearty meat dishes like saji and charga, to the lentil goodness of dal mash, your taste buds are in for a real adventure. Saji, a whole chicken marinated in spices and slow-cooked to perfection, and charga, a deep-fried delicacy, are must-tries. Dal mash, a creamy lentil dish, offers a comforting and flavorful experience. Chakwal is known for its kheer, a creamy rice pudding that'll make you want to lick the bowl. This dessert, made with rice, milk, and sugar, is often flavored with cardamom and garnished with nuts, making it a perfect end to any meal. Chakwal is famous for its kes, intricately woven shawls that are as beautiful as they are warm. These shawls are made using traditional techniques passed down through generations, and each piece tells a story of the artisan's skill and dedication. And if you're looking for a unique souvenir, check out the zari shoes, traditional footwear embroidered with gold thread. These shoes are not just beautiful, but also a symbol of the region's rich cultural heritage. These crafts are more than just souvenirs, folks. They're a testament to the skill and artistry of the local artisans, passed down through generations. Each piece, whether it's a shawl, a pair of shoes, or an embroidered fabric, carries with it the essence of Chakwal's cultural identity and the love and labor of its people. So there you have it, folks. Chakwal, A city that seamlessly blends the allure of natural landscapes with the depth of historical and cultural experiences. From stunning canyons and serene lakes to ancient temples and bustling bazaars, Chakwal has something to offer everyone. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Chakwal. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel adventures. And if you ever find yourself in Pakistan, do yourself a favor and add Chakwal to your itinerary.